What's up, family? We have some latest Social Security updates to share with you today. For starters, we have a new relief program that will directly affect our seniors. We also have some new discussions around eliminating the double taxation for Social Security recipients. This is one of the most hated taxations in history. We also, guys, we do need to talk about how Congress is trying to prevent a government shutdown before it's too late, and they only have until the end of this month. But anyways, guys, before we get started, you already know what to do. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, as well as hit the like button, as it really helps us grow on YouTube. Now, let's go ahead and start with the video. Starting off with a little bit of updated news. What happened yesterday, there was an earthquake, guys, in Morocco. And so far, guys, it has killed more than, it says right here, 1,000 people, but it has been updated. It is now 2,000 people. As you can see right here, guys, it says that the earthquake death toll now climbs to over 2,000 people. And it probably will rise even more than that. But anyways, guys, this was a massive 6.8 magnitude earthquake, and we definitely want to keep those in our prayers. Shockingly enough, President Biden has already offered his condolences for Morocco as the death toll continues to rise and surpass over 2,000 people, which is very shocking that President Biden did this so quickly, because there is a lot of hoopla in regards to how fast or how slow he responded to the wildfires that happened in Maui, Hawaii. As you guys might not recall, President Biden took at least 2 weeks before he actually gave a response in regards to America, guys. We were talking about the United States of America. So anyways, guys, Joe Biden is under a lot of criticism right now on how he responded to the Maui wildfires in comparison to Morocco earthquake. So anyways, guys, we definitely want to be mindful of that. That is our president. He might not be the president for much longer, but anyways, guys, I'll leave it right there. But moving on, guys, we do need to go ahead and talk about some tax relief plans that could be on the horizon that would affect our seniors. Yes, guys, as you can see right here, it says that there is more support that is emerging for tax relief plan for seniors as the budget deadline nears. Now, for those of you that do not know what I'm talking about, we are talking about the 2024 federal budget that needs to be signed and approved of before the end of this month, because it will be going into effect on October the 1st. So that means that lawmakers, Congress, all of them, they need to figure out what they need to do in regards to getting a budget in place and getting both people on both sides of the aisles to agree with the budget. But as you know, guys, lawmakers continue to fight one another when it comes to the Democrats and the Republicans. So it is going to be a very long wait. And if they do not get that done before September the 30th, that means we will be facing a government shutdown. But hopefully that does not happen. But anyways, in regards to the tax relief bill for our senior citizens, there is some concerns from Governor Phil Murphy, in which he said that there is conflict between the legislative leaders and the governor, which is 2 weeks away before the state's deadline to pass a 2024 budget. Senate President Nicholas Scuteri on Thursday introduced a Senate version of the proposal dubbed Stay New Jersey that Assembly Speaker Craig Coughlin introduced last week. The plan would cut the property tax bills of homeowners over 65 years old by half starting in January of 2025. There is no income limit for seniors to be eligible for this. Eliminating 50% of their property tax bills will provide seniors more financial security so that they can stay in New Jersey, according to this latest statement. Murphy last week expressed concerns over the plan's cost, which would start at around $300 million for the first year and climb up to $1.2 billion by the fiscal year of 2028 and every year afterwards, according to this bill. But on Thursday, the governor doubled down on his opposition to this bill. Murphy's spokeswoman Jennifer said while he is open to tax relief ideas from legislative leaders, they must be sustainable and implementable. So anyways, guys, this particular plan includes no income caps and doesn't combine with existing property tax relief programs, according to the governor. owner, that means that people who already receive tax relief through the senior freeze or the anchor programs will get little to no benefit, while some might even see their total tax bill rise just a little bit due to the interactions with the income taxes, property tax deductions. Treasury officials estimate 18,000 seniors making over $500,000 per year would receive about $8,000, while 84,000 lower income seniors would receive no benefit at all. So obviously, understanding this information right here, we can see that the plan is not stealth proof as of yet, but that doesn't mean that they can't work on the bill to figure out how to fix these particular inconsistencies in the relief plan for our seniors. So I believe that this isn't a good opportunity. It's definitely a way to provide some additional savings for our seniors, our low-income seniors, in which this particular bill would affect about 84,000 seniors. So anyways, guys, hopefully they continue to work on this bill in New Jersey. This is definitely going to be some huge news. But anyways, guys, that is just one particular plan that is on the table, which obviously there are other plans. But so far, guys, we still don't necessarily have anything on a federal level. As you can see, we continue to see multiple governors in different states introduce different types of bills that is either going to help our low-income families or either our low-income seniors or even our Social Security recipients as well. But anyways, guys, we still need to see something on a federal level. When are they going to do something about it? Probably when it gets close to the presidential election, when it gets time sometime next year. But as of right now, guys, the senior leadership, we were talking about the White House, we were talking about the Biden administration, they continue to be silent in regards to our Social Security recipients, our seniors, our low-income families, our student loan borrowers, and everyone out there that are struggling right now, guys. So hopefully we will see a change or a shift in that as we continue to move forward, getting closer to the 2024 presidential election. But in addition to that, guys, we also see a new bill that is being proposed right now that could potentially eliminate Social Security's most hated taxation. Yes, guys, we are talking about the double tax. As you can see right here, guys, it says that are the Social Security benefits double taxed? And the answer is not necessarily as simple as you may think. But the truth of the matter is, guys, a vast majority of Americans won't be taxed twice on their Social Security income, but high-earning residents in 12 states may not be so lucky. Yes, guys, it says that for most seniors, Social Security is a financial lifeline for some individuals. More than 2 decades of surveys from national pollsters Gallup shows us that between 80% and 90% of current retirees lean on their payout to cover at least some portion of their monthly expenses. Meanwhile, data from the Center of Budget and Policy Priorities finds that no program lifts more people above the federal poverty line than Social Security. But just because Social Security is vital to the financial well-being of tens of millions of current retirees, it doesn't mean that there isn't controversy surrounding how the program is actually funded. But anyways, there's no aspect of Social Security that retirees more than the taxation of benefits. But back in July, an informal poll from the senior advocacy group, the Senior Citizens League, found that an overwhelmingly 94% of respondents believe that Social Security benefits should not be taxed. And I would agree with it. Do you agree with this? Do you believe that Social Security benefits should be taxed? Come on now. This is the money that they have put in for over 30 plus years, and now you want to tax them again? You're pretty much getting taxed on that money twice. So I definitely agree with this statement. The benefits should not be taxed. But anyways, guys, that is why they are calling this the most hated taxation in history. But anyways, the hatred of this tax comes from the belief that taxing Social Security benefits is a form of double taxation. The idea being that earned income, which is your wages and your salary, but not your investment income, is taxed during a worker's time in the labor force and is then being taxed again, vice versa, their Social Security payout during retirement. That is double taxation. I know you guys agree with me, but anyways, it says that are the Social Security benefits being double taxed? The answer is Very surprisingly, yes and no, depending on how much you earn and where you live. Yes, guys, we are talking about the double taxation only applies to specific states. Yes, guys, in 2022, the Social Security program brought in around $1.2 trillion in revenue from three separate funding sources. We are talking about payroll taxes, net interest, as well as taxation of benefits. And as you can see right here, guys, that the taxation of benefits actually put out around $48 billion. That is a lot of money that you are taking away from our Social Security recipients, who are our most vulnerable Americans in this country, who really need the money the most when you actually think about it. But anyways, the 12.4% payroll tax is applicable to all earned income between 1 penny and $160,000. This range means 94% of workers are paying into Social Security on every dollar that they earn. Taxing wages and salaries consistently accounts for around 90% of the money Social Security collects. So therefore, yes, guys, we are talking about the double taxation. They need to remove this. What states does it actually apply for? Well, guys, I have those particular states here, right here to show you on this screen. Yes, guys, it says that the 12 states that currently tax Social Security benefits above certain adjusted gross incomes thresholds are Colorado, Connecticut, Kansas, Minnesota, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, New Mexico, Rhode Island, Utah, Vermont, and West Virginia. And the good news is if you live in these states is that the income thresholds are relatively high, often between $45,000 and $85,000 per year in adjusted gross income for a single filer, or have been climbing in the recent years. So anyways, guys, like I said, the double taxation is in these particular 12 states, so it doesn't necessarily apply to everyone, but 12 states is enough, guys. We don't need it to be applied to any state whatsoever. So if you are on Social Security, guys, and you receive Social Security benefits and you live in one of these particular 12 states, you need to be mindful of that they are double taxing you. So if you get a chance, write a letter to your local senator, write a letter to anyone out there that will listen to you, and hopefully we can get this changed in the next piece of legislation, because our seniors are the ones who need help right now. So if we could just remove this double taxation just from that perspective alone, that would actually give them an increase or a boost in their Social Security, which we all know that our Social Security recipients are still waiting and hoping for an increase in their monthly benefits. They need it the most. Our seniors need it the most. Those individuals that are on SSI, SSDI, VA beneficiaries, and all of the above, they continue to struggle throughout these economic times. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this? Do you believe that they need to remove this double taxation? Or, I mean, it's been around for so many years now, so a lot of people have pretty much come accustomed to with it happening, which they probably don't even know. But anyways, guys, as you can see, it is a real thing, but hopefully they will get this thing changed in the near future. Also, guys, don't forget about the tax relief program that could affect our seniors. That is definitely important, guys, and hopefully we will find out sometime at the beginning of next month, guys. We have less than 30 days in which we are going to find out exactly the final data in regards to the COLA increase. Guys, this is going to affect millions of Americans out there that receive Social Security every single year, but we are going to find out what exactly that COLA increase is going to be. Hopefully it is going to be somewhere above 3%. But again, guys, we probably won't get that information until sometime around October the 8th and October the 12th. So anyways, guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I will be providing that information to you as soon as we receive it. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you today. And I hope all this information in this video was helpful to you today. Well, anyways, guys, that's all we have for you today. But feel free to check out some of the items down below in the description. There are a couple of opportunities for you to earn some free money or some free cash, such as signing up with Webull, where they are giving out 12 free stocks after you deposit at least like $1. The good thing about it is that those 12 free stocks can actually be worth up to $3,000. But anyways, all you have to do is receive those stocks and then cash them back in and then withdraw your money back into your bank account, or you can leave the the stocks in your brokerage account so that you can start off your investing journey. But either way it goes, this is a great opportunity. Check out the link down below. Also, I will solicit your support on my new YouTube channel where I have now started it. It has been a long time, guys, but now we are here and I'm hoping to have a little bit of success on the new channel. So I will solicit your support on it. You can go ahead and check out my latest 2 videos right here. But anyways, if you are interested, I would appreciate it. The link will also be down below as well. Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed today's content and you want to see more, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you like today's video, then go ahead and hit the like button for us. It really helps out this channel as well as it tells YouTube to share this video with others. But anyways, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.